Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing for this Monday, Cyber Monday. Hopefully everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. This is coming from Elegear. Luxurious Fox fur blanket. Size down below. Link is down below. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Heat warm technology. Heating warm moisture wicking. Skin sweat. Alright, let's take a look at this one. Like I said, I'll have the links down below. Perfect time to buy these now. Cyber Monday sale going on. Don't want to miss this, guys. These will sell out fast now with the holiday rush full in effect. Luxurious, notorious, bada boom. Fur boots with the fur. Perfect time though. Like I said, I'm in Michigan and it's about to hit some serious snow tonight. Hopefully they're lying to us again, but it's that time of year again. So this will keep me warm. This will keep you guys warm. A nice little Christmas gift. Ooh. My dog might like this. Alright, here we go. Whoa boy. These are really nice. The fox fur. There. I'm going to lay it out on the floor. Hold on one sec. Here you guys go. You can get cozy with this at the fireplace. Watch some Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus. Really nice. Really big too. So I would say this more for one person though. So there you go, guys. Check them out. Link is going to be down below. Have fun on this Cyber Monday. Click the link down below before they sell out. Be safe.